Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sam and today is Monday the 22nd of January 2024. It's also beach day. It is 27 degrees. Yesterday it was about 28 degrees Celsius. 2 days before that it was 33 degrees Celsius, which was insanely hot. So what better thing to do on a hot day than go to the beach? So that's what I'm doing. Quick transition into bus ride and then we will be there shortly. Just before I go, thank you for everyone subscribing, comment, like, share to everyone you know, and let's build a community based on my 3 words that I have on my profile, my bio, which is connection, humility, and adventure. Let's go. Transition. I made it to the beach, everybody. Now I'm eating fish and chips. This is it. Got some crumb fish, some onion rings, and a scoop of chips, and the seagulls are already around me trying to eat my food, as you can hear. Okay, see you later. And just like that, we made it at New Brighton Beach. I'm done my food, fish and chips, getting chased by seagulls. Oh, that water is cold. Yeah, New Brighton Beach in Christchurch. Water's very refreshing. Again, it's like 27. Took about 25 minutes to come here on the bus. Today is beautiful. It's so nice. On a hot day, dipping my feet into the ocean. Oh my gosh. It's just such a grounding feeling. Oh, that is good. When I was living back in the North Island of New Zealand, I was super close to the beach. And I'm still pretty close to the beach where I'm living in the South Island. It's just good to get out, you know? To be in the ocean. There were honestly so many seagulls trying to get my food. And in the end, as you would have seen in the clip, there was like 30 or 40 of them following me around. And I just bolted, threw them a little bit of food, and yeah. Super nice vibe out here. I just wanted to, create like a different format. Bring you guys along to the beach. Maybe we are watching it's winter, very cold, or maybe it's super sunny, somewhere in the middle. So I appreciate all of you watching, and I hope you're having an amazing year. I can't believe January is almost to its end, just over 3 weeks into the year. Wow, it is soon by for me. I'm curious to know, how is your 2024 so far? Do you feel it's gone fast or slow? Has it been hot or cold? I'm all about, just growing as a person, as an individual. And I think it would be so cool if if I built this community up, we could grow as a collective, as a community. Yeah, that's the pier, New Brighton pier, and it's pretty long. It goes up quite a long way. I will walk that way in a while after I've had a good length of time walking along the beach with my feet sinking in the sand, getting some sea water in my sea legs, if that made any sense. But yeah, hopefully you're enjoying this video. That's it for now, and back to the content. Hello everybody, I'm back. Hopefully you can hear me. If you can't, well, I'm right next to the beach, I'm at the beach. So it's waves crashing. Just hit 1.5 kilometers, 1.55 kilometers to be exact. 31 minutes towards North New Brighton. So now that behind me is further north of New Brighton. Now I'm going to walk back to the pier, New Brighton Pier, show you guys this spectacular view from the end of it. I really hope you're enjoying this beach day video. 22nd, as I said, of January 2024. While you're here, if you're still watching, wow. B, thank you very much. C, I've got a lot more videos being to be recorded and uploaded on this channel, so I really do appreciate everyone watching, everyone that likes, everyone that comments, everything. Yeah, so I just hope you're enjoying it. And back to the video. I think it's a little bit less hot now as well, like 26 degrees Celsius. And peace. Can't do the peace sign. I'm holding my shoes, but see you later. That's very close to being the end of the video, everybody. So thank you so much for watching, for taking the time out of your day, afternoon, evening, night or morning, and even watching this for a little bit. It means the world. So just one last clip, that is the end almost of beach day, 22nd of January 2024. Peace. Thank you. One more clip.